Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight your body part on CapCut PC. So here I'm just going to freeze frame where he kind of lifts up the barbell, the weight. I don't know what it's called, the weight. I'm just going to make it a little bit longer than it is. Then I'm just going to use this like red overlay. We're just going to go to video and then we're going to go to blend mode and we're going to select soft light so you guys can see the muscle. Go to mask and add mask, and we're going to use either the brush or the pen tool. You can either use brush or the pen tool. I'll just use the pen tool for this. So we're going to highlight, like for instance, this area, I guess. I don't really know what to highlight here. So if I'm doing this incorrectly, I'm so sorry, but this is just an example. Like that. You can feather it out a little bit if you want to. I'm just going to make it smaller, and then I am going to feather it out a little. Then we are going to just remove that, as well as the end here. Then I'm going to go to animation, and I'm going to select a fade in animation as well as like a fade out animation here. And then we're just going to basically do this. So there's like a blink. We're going to kind of do that. And we're just going to place them like this basically. I am going to place them like this first, and then I will like delete the ones next to each other. Hopefully you understood what I mean by that. Okay, I don't know where the fade out animation went. So we're going to remove that, remove it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then it's going to highlight your muscles on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.